Hey boys and girls, my name is Miss Darnell, and tonight I'm going to be reading the book to you, Bulldozers Big Day. Dirks is going to help me with the book. The author of the book is Candace Fleming. It was Bulldozer's big day, and he couldn't wait to invite all of his friends to his party. Motor humming and blade held high, he zoomed, bump vroom, across the construction site. Guess what today is, whooped Bulldozer when he got to where Digger truck was working. Guess, Digger boomed. I don't need to guess, kid. Today is a scoopin' day. Scoopin', scoopin', scoopin'. And a sifting day. Dump truck rumbled. Sifting, sifting, sifting. Bulldozer's blade dropped a little. He rolled to where cement mixer was working. Guess what today is, called Bulldozer. I already know, cement mixer said. Today is a stirring day. Staring, staring, staring. And Bulldozer's blade dropped a bit lower. He rumbled to where scraper and grader were working. Guess what? Began Bulldozer. Guess, Scrape rattled. Who has time to guess? Today is a filling day. Filling, filling, filling. And a chopping day, Grader clattered. Chopping, chopping, chopping. And Bulldozer's blade drooped lower still. He bumped to where roller truck was working. Do you care what today is? Asked Bulldozer. No, Roller grumbled. With a hiss of smoke, he huffed away. Mashing day, he muttered. Mashing, mashing, mashing. And Bulldozer's blade drooped so low it almost touched the ground. He crawled to where crane truck was working. I don't suppose you know what today is, Bulldozer said with a sigh. Of course I do, Crane claimed. Do you? Asked Bulldozer. His blade rose hopefully. It's a lifting day, Crane banged. Lifting, lifting, lifting. And this is my sixth and last. Woot! The construction site whistle blew. Bulldozer turned away, his blade dragging sadly in the dirt. No games, he sniffled. No friends, no party. Then, woot! Feef! A different kind of whistle blew. Toot! Hoot! Woo! Lots of whistles blew. Do you know what today is? Cried Bulldozer. And as his friends revved their engines and honked their horns, Bulldozer raised his blade high. And made a wish. Hooray! Blared the others. Then Bulldozer squealed. What are we waiting for? Let's dig in. And they did. The end. Hope you enjoyed it, boys and girls. Good night.